There are a lot of really neat things that you can do with videos in PowerPoint 2010, and one of them is being able to add a poster frame. So let's look at a video and see how that works. So sometimes the videos, like in this case, it just starts with a blank screen, so when I click on the video you can see it starts blank and then it has these horses. But let's say I want to add a placeholder image on top of that. One thing I can do is if I go to Video Tools into Format, I can create a poster frame. So I can choose the current frame. So let's say I want to come over here and play it, and I want these seagulls or this animal here. I can go here, I can choose current frame, and now when the video is just sitting here, you can see there's a poster frame. The other thing I can do is I can insert a poster frame from an image file, and let's say I just went ahead and created one, and I can insert that there. When I play it, you can see it's got this frame, but then the video plays, but when it's stopped, it goes back to the poster frame.